This is going to blow your mind. God's plan for your marriage can rekindle lost love. One of the hardest things to hear from a spouse is, "I don't love you anymore." It feels like rejection, betrayal, or even failure. But remember, love is more than a feeling, it's a commitment. God's love never fades. "I have loved you with an everlasting love." Human emotions change, but God's love is unshakable. Draw strength from His unfailing love. Even when your spouse's love wavers, marriage is a covenant, not a contract. What God has joined together, let no one separate. Feelings come and go, but God designed marriage on faithfulness, sacrifice, and grace. Love is a choice, not just an emotion. Love is patient, love is kind, it does not give up. If love was just a feeling, God wouldn't command it. Love is an action, even in difficult seasons. God can restore hearts. "I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit within you." Even when love seems lost, God can breathe new life into a broken marriage. Keep praying, keep believing, and keep showing love. Don't lose hope. God specializes in restoring what seems beyond repair. Trust Him, walk in love, and let Him work in your marriage. Love can be rekindled in Christ.